Hey guys, about a month or so ago, I was working on my Logan lathe, and it's a model 1922 3-foot bed, and I broke the change gear stud on it, and that's what happened. It must have been tightened at one time a little too tight or too many times. You can see when you look at the thread, you can see the thread stretched. But I went ahead and ordered it. I went to Logan Actuator Company, and they didn't have it in stock, but I went ahead and ordered it, and then I guess they made it. So here it is. I would have made one myself, but I only have one lathe. And I do have a friend who has a lathe, but he had mentioned he was doing a big project, and I didn't want to bother him. I'd hate to have him tear his lathe apart and set up for this when he's already doing something different. But it looks pretty good. They're pretty expensive. I forgot what I paid, but yeah, it is what it is. So I need to clean all this. Well, that probably won't happen for a while. I got a lot of projects still going on. Yeah, let's go ahead and get it back together. Okay, so the change gear stud goes, maybe it goes this way. Yeah, it goes like this. I've forgotten where it even goes. It's terrible. But yeah, first off, we'll go ahead and we'll put the grease fitting back on here from the other one. I've cleaned it up, and I'll squirt some grease through it, and I'll check to make sure there's nothing inside it. I have to take it out in the sun and look, just make sure there's no chips stuck in there, and we'll get that done. Okay, I went ahead and squirted some grease in it just to get it, kind of clean it out just in case. To adjust it, this gear slides right and left, and to loosen that up, you've got this here. You loosen that, and then you can move this, and then tighten it, and then tighten this, and then back here, this adjusts this gear here up and down, and I'll once it's all finished, I'll go ahead and run it for a little, and then check everything again, make sure everything's hasn't changed. All right, guys, let's check it out. Sounds good except for this banging. Alright guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to give me a like and follow along. Thanks. See you next time.